Welcome back to Adventure Tech, where I do the research so you don't have to. We're back with RENOGY and we're checking out the REGO 12-volt 400 amp-hour cold weather LFP battery. Now these batteries are on sale right now with a huge discount. If you're in a hurry and just looking for that discount, feel free to use the promo code Adventure Tech. Get an extra discount on top of the discounted price. Get a good deal and help support my channel at the same time, which I always appreciate. So the REGO 12-volt 400 amp-hour cold weather battery, pretty amazing. This baby is 5.12 kilowatt hours and it comes in 2 packs. So you're getting over 10 kilowatt hours with this deal here. Self-heating for safer charge in low temperatures with 62 BMS protections for all-around safety. Vibration resistant with aluminum casing. Now that has me intrigued. 6,000 cycles ensures lasting performance. Of course, this is an LFP EV grade battery, so this is going to last a very long time for you. It's amazing how long these can last. If you do the math real quick, if you use this every single day, charging and discharging it, it would last, wow, over 16 years. So this battery has self-heating technology. If you get this hooked up to a charger, you can have this heat up so it can run even in cold weather. It's got amazing BMS with over 62 protections on it. Tiny little battery. Compared to lead acid batteries, these are a lot smaller. This is water resistant and that means it's dust proof. This is going to help this last a really long time for you, giving you those 6,000 life cycles no problem. You can monitor this with an app. You get 10,240 watt hours with this package with 2 of these batteries. That's an amazing amount of power. That's quite a lot. Power anything with ultra high capacity. Up to 8 batteries can be connected in parallel, offering a total capacity of 40 kilowatt hours. To help put things into perspective, the average power use is somewhere around 22 kilowatt hours per day. Plug and play parallel cable. Now it's nice to have these easy plug and play cables. Really makes setting up these systems very easy, especially if you're a little bit inexperienced. Use the easiest way to connect the battery to the REGO system. Intelligent self-heating function, optimal performance in both low and high temperatures, discharge temperatures -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 131 degrees Fahrenheit. That is pretty amazing. And it's IP65 waterproof design, applicable to more scenarios such as yacht, marine, outdoor, etc. This is a really cool battery to have right here. I just like having this, even if it's going to be indoors. Having that IP65 design keeps the dust out too, which is real important. Monitor your REGO with the app. Bluetooth equipped for easy and convenient monitoring from your smartphone. Save over 30% installation footprint and cut 6 cables. Replace 4 12-volt 100-amp batteries with 1 REGO 12-volt 400-amp battery, unlocking 5.12 kilowatt hours. 5.12 kilowatt hours of storage, saving 30% on installation space, eliminating 6 cables, streamlined, powerful, and efficient. Not bad, huh? This one battery can replace all 4 of these. Advanced cells for maximum battery life. Lighter weight, larger capacity battery cells provide less internal resistance to improve charge balance. That's one great thing about this battery. It is set up nicely, it's a small footprint, and it's a lightweight. New generation smart BMS. Innovative smart BMS ensures absolute reliability and safety on the battery. The BMS is a battery management system. This keeps the battery running safely, help this battery last a real long time for you and run safely for you. REGO all-in-one power system. Highly integrated system provides your off-grid life maximum energy and comprehensive protection. Now, these new REGO products are some of the newest from RENOGY and have some of the most advanced technology that you can get. See, the REGO all-in-one power system, highly integrated system provides you with off-grid life, maximum energy, and comprehensive protection. Now with this package with the 2 batteries, you get 10.24 kilowatt hours. 4 of them gets you 20.48 kilowatts, which is really close to the daily average use of power in the United States. Or you can get 8 of these, giving you 40.96 kilowatt hours. That's pretty amazing. So the REGO 12-volt 400-amp-hour cold weather battery, a really great replacement. If you got 4 12-volt batteries, you're going to get the same thing in a smaller footprint. And you get 2 of them in this. So that's double the size of your system. So if you want to take advantage of the discount going on right now, it is huge. It's more than 50% off. So take advantage while that lasts. Use the links in the comments in the description and get over this page. Use my promo code AdventureTech to get even more of a discount on this. Help support my channel at the same time, which I always appreciate. You can subscribe to my channel for free by clicking the subscribe button. And make sure to click that bell icon so that when I drop these new videos, you can be one of the first people to get to these limited deals.